So, Boulderdash. Full disclosure, I've never actually played an official version of this game. Somehow, in my 80s computer history and console history, I never actually played Boulderdash. But the objective of the game is very simple. You collect the gems, which is showing how many you have to get at the top of the screen. And when you get that many, the exit opens, and that takes you to the next level. Proper Boulderdash has other things like a countdown timer to hurry the player along. But I've not implemented that. So the mechanics are trivial, but quite interesting. Boulders can be pushed sideways and will fall under gravity if there's nothing beneath them, as in if it's a space the player has already tunnelled. Because I'm lazy, the number of gems you need to collect is held in held in 3 words, one for each digit, instead of, well, the alternative would have been to write a binary to decimal routine, which I didn't want to write. And I've done this quite a few times, as you can imagine. I designed all of these levels myself in Tiled, a program called Tiled. The sprites, the tiles are from a implementation of Boulderdash written for the NES. Except the player character is some other tile that I stole to be the player. Because I think in the NES version the player is a sprite, but in my version it's just another tile. So there you go, there's the exit open. So I can show you quickly show you what you can do with boulders. There you go, push the boulder down there. And there's another mechanic where if a boulder lands on top of another boulder, it will slide sideways. All implemented in about 500 words of code for my little processor. Obviously the display is all implemented in hardware. There's the exit there, but I shall show you more features of the level. I'll show you some rocks falling as well. There you go, you saw a boulder slide off there. Let's try and get this one. This is a bit tricky. There you go, it looks like you can't get it now, but what you do, if you dig down there, and then you make a little hole for the boulder to fall in. Try and get this one as well. Okay. And I shall show you the horrible bats down here. Don't like bats. I've not even finished implementing them because they're supposed to kill the player, and when you kill them they're supposed to explode and reveal gems. Not very realistic, but there you go, that's what the Commodore 64 version does anyway. But in my version I haven't implemented any of that, so I can just walk in there and squash them all. Because when the player moves into a tile that's not the wall, it just eats it up. I'll leave those 2 bats alone. Oh well, killed that one. Never mind. Loads of gems. Did you see then that gems fall under gravity as well? But yeah, Boulderdash. Quite pleased with it. I need to design some more levels possibly, but on the other hand, working on my softcore design is probably what I should be doing instead of playing games. There you go, one more. Sorry. There we go. And the last level, which isn't finished, or rather, which can't be completed, because I need 10 gems and there are no gems on this level, just 4 bats. Because what I need to implement is killing off bats with boulders. Yeah, let's go in there, kill that one. No, yeah, there you go, eaten them. Eaten or squashed, I'm not quite sure. Yeah, quite pleased.